DJ Shadai on the beats. I'm a piano to heal the streets. From Cape Town to Johannesburg, from Lusaka to Harare, from Nairobi to Lagos. We are one Africa. Let's stop xenophobia. One Africa, one blood, one love. Why are we fighting our own brothers? One Africa, one dream, one heart. Let's come together and make a new start. Together we stand, Africa unite. No more hate, no more fight. We share the same sun every day, the same moon lights our way. Different languages, different names, but deep inside we're all the same. When our fathers fought for freedom, they stood together hand in hand. Now why should we divide ourselves when we belong to the same land? Zimbabwe, Zambia, Malawi too, Mozambique and Congo crew, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana's pride. We're all Africans side by side. Open your heart, open your eyes. Love is stronger than all the lies. No foreign love in Africa. We are family, can't you see? One Africa, one blood, one love. Why are we fighting our own brothers? One Africa, one dream, one heart. Let's come together and make a new start. Together we stand, Africa unite. No more hate, no more fight. A brother comes to work and live, to build a future, to achieve. Instead of stones, let's give respect. Every life we must protect. When businesses are burned in flames, everybody shares the pain. Hatred never builds a nation. Love is the real foundation. Children watching what we do, learning lessons from me and you. Let's teach them peace and unity and build a better community. I'm a piano, piano to the world. No more running, no more fear. Every African welcome here. Raise your hands and sing along. Unity will make us strong. One Africa, one blood, one love. Why are we fighting our own brothers? One Africa, one dream, one heart. Let's come together and make a new start. Together we stand, Africa unite. No more hate, no more fight. From the townships to the cities, hear the message in the melodies. Let the piano drums remind us Africa's future is behind us. Not by hate, not by fear, but by lifting one another near. Every nation, every tribe, together we can rise. Black, brown, rich or poor, love is what we're living for. Open every door today and let the hatred fade away. One Africa, one blood, one love. Why are we fighting our own brothers? One Africa, one dream, one heart. Let's come together, make a new start. Africa unite, shine your light. Let love lead, together we can all succeed. DJ Shadai signing out. To every African listening tonight, remember this. No Zimbabwean, no Zambian, no Nigerian, no South Africa. Just Africans, one continent, one people, one love. DJ Shadai. I'm a piano for peace. I'm a piano for unity. I'm a piano for